Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to write the application for TC. Okay, this is the sample application. First we have to write to address here to the principal, the principal, New Vision School. You have to write your school name here, then school address Bangalore. Okay, so here on the top you have to write the date. I'm going to write today's date. Okay, then next the main part is you have to write subject. Subject means for what reason you are going to write this application. Now I am requesting them to give my transfer certificate. That's why I am writing here request for transfer certificate. Or simply you can write TC. Okay, then respected sir or madam, with due respect, I, Divya. You have to write your name here, okay, and don't write Divya. If your name is Akash, then I Akash, I Prashant, okay, I Pooja, like that you have to write. I Divya writing this letter for my transfer certificate. I have successfully completed my 10th class and I need my TC to join in further courses. Okay, why I need the TC? To join in further courses, okay, or to continue my education. Okay, then therefore I am requesting you to kindly issue my transfer certificate I shall be thankful to you in this matter. Okay, I shall be thankful to you in this matter. Final, you have to write thanking you. Then yours faithfully or obedient, you can write anything. You are faithfully Divya. Because of my name is Divya, so I'm writing my name. You have to write your name. Okay, you are faithfully Divya, 10th class. You have to mention your class and A section, and my roll number is 132. Okay, you have to write your class and your section and your roll number. Okay, this is all about a sample for the application for the transfer certificate. Okay, first we have to write the date here and then to address. Okay, then you have to mention the subject here, then respected sir, madam, and the body of the part. You have to write the reason why you are writing this application, and then finally you have to mention the thanking you, and this one, yours faithfully, your name, your class, your section, and your roll number, or you can write your school address. Okay, thank you.